Howdy there, how's it going everyone? This is Quinn, that snazzy iPhone guy. If you're sick of my screencasts, I duly apologize. I did have another video planned for today, but due to technical difficulties, it didn't work out. We'll be seeing it next week, and it's a new series in the That Snazzy iPhone Guy family, so it's going to be really cool. And it's called What, Why, How, explaining the confusing questions about tech. Don't worry though, we're going to save that till next week. It'll be good. And the channel's actually going to be going under some redesign pretty soon here. Huge things. I'm keeping it simple, like I stated a few days ago, but I am going to kind of set up a structure so that videos will have assigned days. Like an iPhone case will be Thursday, a Mac tip will be Tuesday, so you're not seeing the same content over and over and over. And also so you know that, oh, I love headphone reviews. Every Thursday, Quinn will have a headphone review, or whatever. So we're going to kind of simplify the way videos work. But this is a relatively quick screencast because I know I'm going to go longer than I intend on my new website. Now, this is not it. This is my old one, and this is a good website. It's an HTML website. I built it from a template. It was very easy to make. It probably took 2 hours to edit all the content and all the pictures and images, and I upload it and host it for $4 a month. So, it's a very professional way to present myself, and bam, it's easy. But here's the issue. It's not that easy. I do have to put some time into it. I probably put 20 minutes a week, which isn't a lot, but it's a sizable amount. I put 20 minutes a week working and maintaining this website to make sure everything's running fine. I have to edit code. I have to do this and that and the other. And, it just is time consuming. So what I'm going to be introducing to you today is flavors.me. Now, I created my flavors.me website and posted it on Twitter, and people freaked out and said, Quinn, how did you make that sweet website? It looks way more professional, way fancier, and best of all, it can be free. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to show you some other flavors.me users. The first one is Larry Greenberg. He's an excellent YouTuber. If you don't watch him, you definitely should. His is very basic. Picture of him, his name, a couple of things of what he does, and then links to his social media outlets. So Heather, same thing. Read her blog, look at her photos, watch her friends, or be her friend, watch her videos. And then Go Periscope, great band. They actually have a different account. It's more premium than most people's premium because they have the ability to, display music here on the site. Most people don't have this option, but I'm guessing they have like a special artist account or they're paying extra. I don't know, but they have more functionality than most people. Right here we have David Tish. Again, very basic place. It's essentially a social media. It's a hub for everything you. And, it's does a pretty good job, but you can also make it to create a website. So here is the website, flavors.me. All you need to do is get started, you create an account, and you can make one absolutely free. Here's mine. This is Snazzy Labs. You go to thatsnazzyiPhoneGuy.com, and this is what you get. Now, thatsnazzyiPhoneGuy.com was a domain that I own. I redirected the IP from my registrar, and that is how I have the actual domain versus, Larry's, who's flavor.me/Larry Greenberg. So mine is thatsnazzyiPhoneGuy.com, so it looks like a more official website. That's because I paid the premium price. He did too, actually. At least I think he did, but yeah, I'm pretty sure he did. Anyway, $20 a year will get you the premium price, and you have a couple more options than the free users. But if you are a free user, still check it out because you do have a lot more versatility than you may be led to believe. So this is my website, Snazzy Labs. Quick text of what I do. If you click that Snazzy iPhone Guy, you can see a jQuery panel pops up. Beautiful, beautiful transition. And it has my latest videos. You can, keep going. As you can see, watch this, jQuery in action. Look at that animation. So as you can see, this ain't your regular HTML site, but it isn't Flash. It's not a memory-intensive website at all. It's a very, very basic website that can be run on an iPhone if you want, and it just does an excellent job. Now, here I have a 90-second tech page, my 2 latest embedded videos. This is one of the cons of flavors.me. You can't do multiple outlets. So if you have 2 Twitter accounts or 2 That Snazzy iPhone Guy, 2 YouTube accounts, you can't link both of those. So for 90-second tech, I created a generic page and then pasted the code in to embed the videos, but that's aside the point. You have your official Twitter. It doesn't, link to your Twitter or anything. It actually displays your tweets on the screen. Facebook fan page, same stuff. All of the stuff you say, your pictures, your photos, your videos if you want. Pretty cool. Daily Booth feed, you can see all my goofy pictures that I take as a joke. Follow me on Daily Booth. It's a lot of fun. And then, of course, you can contact me. Your name, email, message, and you send the message, and that arrives in my inbox. You also have the ability as a non-user to like, tweet, and share this page with Tumblr, Posterous, Orkut, Dig, Delicious, Facebook, whatever you want. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to edit your actual website. So I'm going to go to flavors.me. /@Snazzy iPhone Guy. This will bring up my admin panel. This is my design panel. I can change everything on this website within this panel, which is pretty cool. No refreshing, no re-downloading files, no resizing images. It does all of it for you. So information, Snazzy Labs. If I wanted to say TSIG, well, TSIG, there you go. I could go to thatsnazzyiPhoneGuy.com and boom, there it is. It updated instantaneously if the page loads. So as you can see, that's some serious versatility. I mean, there's a lot of power behind that, and you have the option to change a lot of things really quickly. You can change all the content here. You do have the ability to use HTML, so if you want to add widgets or themes or stuff that isn't on the flavors.me list, you can do so. Pretty nice. If we also go into information, you can select your contact page, what information you want to display here, what email you'd like it to send it to, etc., etc. Links, I don't have any set up, but you could do that as well. A footer for the site, you have your share, tweet, like button, as I stated down here on the bottom. You can also show the flavors.me logo. This is required if you have a free account. I got rid of it, so it looks a little more streamlined and professional, but that is $20 a year. You do get other options within that premium package, but that's one of them, getting rid of the branding. This looks totally like a custom in-home website when you go to that Snazzy iPhone Guy. You can't tell it was built with something else. You have your favicon. This is great. As you can see, there's my TSIG logo. Now, favicons are like 69 pixels by 69 pixels or 70 by 70 or something like that. But it has to be exactly that for most websites to pick it up. Well, this, you just upload a freaking image and it makes it a favicon for you. So as you can see, there's no user experience. Anyone could build, my grandma could build a website in 15 minutes if she wanted to using flavors.me. It's much like Squarespace, if you know Squarespace. Great people. They have more heavy-ended design. I mean, they do a lot of stuff. Same kind of idea, but theirs are full-fledged websites. This is just kind of like a media hub, little, hey, here's an About Me page. You know, it's great if you got a .me domain. Like I would get quinnelson.me and say, hey, these are the things I do. This is my professional profile. Here's some pictures. You know, great, right? Perfect. I can see this great for photographers. I mean, you just have your photos displayed here from your Flickr feed. Excellent idea. Anyway, here's your content. You can add exactly what you want, and there are tons. Bandcamp, Delicious, Etsy, Dig, Facebook, Flickr, Foursquare, Gowalla, Last.fm. So you can link like freaking any website in the world. You can pretty much link here. If for whatever reason you can't link it, you can do a custom site, and that's what I did with the 90-second tech page because, and this is the only con I can find with this site, you can't do two of the same media outlets. So if you have two YouTube channels, you're gonna have to make a secondary page, and you'll be able to see here my That Snazzy iPhone Guy page is set up all automatically. You can change the name, and you can choose whether contents or uploads or favorites are displayed on 90-second tech. I just did the embed code. So right here, this is all manual, but it's not that big a deal. It's pretty easy. Your official Twitter, you can show @replies if you want. I've disabled this because I @reply most people on Twitter, and if I enable it, you're not able to see the whole conversation. So you're like, wait, what's going on? So this kind of just says, hey, this is the professional side of me when I like to complain about stuff or whatever. So you see that right there. So I just disable those. Facebook fan page, you can choose whether your wall photos, videos, you know, everything's displayed, photos you're tagged in. If not, yes, no. So that's really cool. Your daily booth feed, that's not much in there. Pictures and favorites, and that's pretty much it. But that's the content side of it. Now you can get into the design and change everything. There's tons of different layouts if you want them. This one is one of the free ones. It obviously will look better than that. When you try and make it look better than that. There's an accordion style, so that comes down. You know, this is just one of the many themes. They do have the more premium themes like this one. And again, I haven't designed it to work with these. So these look a little bit cheesier, but I could make this in about 10 minutes look absolutely excellent. But I've decided to go with this one. Again, this premium theme, this theme I'm using right now is premium. You have to pay $20 a month for this cool one. But they have a lot of free ones that are just as cool. You still get all this jQuery. Beautiful, beautiful website, and I really like it. Now, you can also change the backgrounds. It doesn't have to be an exact size. You just upload any picture, and you can format it or tile it or size the page. It's excellent. Now, if you go into colors, you can change the colors of the text, everything. The background, I can make it green if I wanted, or blue. That won't show up because, well, here, this will show up. See, so I can make it any color I want. And you can do this to every piece of media on your whole website. So it's pretty nice. I could do the reverse if I wanted to. I could make this black and I could make my content white. So as you can see, there's just tons of options here, and you can change pretty much everything. It's really stellar. You can go here, change the fonts. There's tons and tons of fonts. Not so much for the text. I mean, there's still a good, I don't know, 10. And then you go into here and you can change everything. Like there are probably 150 fonts in here that you can change your logo to. And then you can change your logo size depending on the theme, and then you can promote it. It does SEO for you, metadata, so you show up in Google without any options or without any issues. You don't have to put special keywords in. It does it all for you. It's absolutely excellent. If you're a YouTuber, or if you do technology reviews, or if you just want a media hub where everyone can see your one place, this is an excellent way to do it. I bought a domain, and now when I say, hey, PR reps, when people contact me, or when I contact people and say, hey, I'm that snazzy iPhone guy. When you say you're a YouTube reviewer, sometimes you get a bad rap, especially if you have a YouTube link. So I say, hey, I'm from that snazzy iPhone guy. Check out my stuff. And then they go here and they can see, oh, there's that snazzy iPhone guy. They double click a video and it opens in my channel. And then they can see all my numbers. So it's pretty impressive. I really like the functionality. Flavors.me is an absolute win, and I am a huge, huge supporter. Definitely go check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry for the longer video, and sorry for the lack of a real video today, but what can you do? Stay snazzy, and see you later, folks.